Holy moly, look at the ones in the field there.
Holy crap.
Over golf ball size.
Listen to them hit the road.
Oh, look at the one up there on the T-section of the footpath.
The roos are running. They don't know what to do.
The poor kangaroos are getting smashed.
Holy crap, look at that one.
Oh my god. Look at the one in the gutter, yeah. Oh my god, guys, stay safe. This is insane. Look at the field. Look at the field.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We've seen big hail, but we've never had them hit like this.
Holy crap.
We are not exaggerating the size either. These are way over top. Look at the one in the middle of the road there.
Something's gonna break soon.
We're going to have the windscreen here 100%. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the field.
Holy crap.
Wow. I feel like I need to have the safety hat on. That made the car vibrate.
Oh yeah, I got dents on the bonnet.
Yeah, massive dents. Oh my god. These are just not small at all. These are actually massive. Look at the field.
Be warned everyone, giant hail. Giant hail above 5 centimeters. I think it's passing.
It's starting to pass now. And look at this bit. Oh,
Never
there
mind.
goes the windscreen.
Oh, there it
Windscreen's
goes.
gone. Windscreen's gone. That was a massive donga.
It made a circle where it hit.
It's actually a circle of where it hit. Look at this field, guys. It's starting to pass and we'll go out and get some shots for you. But only until it's safe. That guy is a madman. Driving in this.
They just break apart.
Look at this field.
It's shattered.
It's shattered and it's still bigger than the average hail. Oh my god. Look at the size of these.
I'm surprised they're still coming down.
The worst is past, but we are not following this. Anyone in the direct path, check your radar right now and make sure you've got everything under cover.
This would be the biggest, worst hailstorm I've been in. Look at the field.
We can't get out of here, there's no point. There's zero cover, no power lines, nothing. We're in the open, in a state, and there's no point driving in this, it'll do more damage. And it's starting to pass us now anyway. So once it does pass and it feels safe to go out, we'll get some shots of the size of the hail for you.
There's some big ones in there. There's cricket balls out there for sure.
Oh yeah, they're all cricket balls.
Yeah. I just wish I had something to measure them, but I don't. I'll have to like...
Do the just like that. Everyone knows that. That's universal measurement.
God, I'm glad I got back in the car before that hit.
Yeah, it's passing us now.
Okay.
So we're in between Greenbank and Jimboomba.
This is Park Ridge.
Park Ridge, to be exact, apparently. Yeah.
Alright, it's passed. But I don't know if there's going to be still some big ones.
I'm pretty much flooded in on this side.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this. That is Australia for you. There's blue skies, and look at the feel of massive hail.
You can see the storm out behind it as well. It's training. Alright, I think this passed now.
Alright.